All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here in something inexpensive and kind of fun. It's a 90s muscle car. So 1994 Pontiac Formula. Got the V8, it's got the 5.7 liter LT1. I think they're rated like 275 horsepower. But what makes this one a little bit more fun, it's a stick shift. It's a 6-speed. You don't see stick shifts too often. Nice little car. It's finished in Pontiac Bright White. It's got the blackish gray leather interior. It's real comfortable. Of course, it's got tilt wheel and air conditioning and power seats and all that stuff. So the last owner had it for over 20 years. Took good care of it. Matter of fact, it's got a lot of miles on it. It's got 267,000 on the car. I think it's got, I don't know, 50 or so on a replacement motor. I have to look at the records, but they put a Jasper motor in it, and it runs good. We just gave it a service, a fresh service, so it's got new spark plugs and everything in it. But other than that, pretty stock. Original wheels, original radio. Looks like original paint. Pulls good. Nice car, all stock under the hood, no modifications, no teenagers that got a hold of this one yet, beat up on it. But like I said, tilt wheel, power windows, power locks, and removable T-tops, glass top T-tops, which are cool. You take those off, put them in the back, feels like you're driving a convertible without getting too windblown. All right, we'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. We're gonna do a little walk around here with our 1994 Pontiac Formula Coupe, a T-top coupe. So it's got the glass T-tops that come off, fit in the back area there. It's got the factory alloys, finished in white. It's got a couple things here and there. It's got a lot of miles on it. It's got 267,000 miles on the car itself. I mean, since then it's had clutches, the engine was replaced by a Jasper engine. So the previous owner used it to commute quite a distance and took good care of it. Tires are in great shape. Paint's original. Little discoloring on that plastic strip that goes along the side, but it's all really straight. Car's actually in good condition. And it's a 94. It's 30 years old, 31 years old. I'll show you the interior. Pretty sporty looking. I like these with the spoilers and everything. And this thing is fun because it's a stick shift. So pretty cool. It's got the same seats as like the GTA had. They're leather. Got a little split there in the driver's seat, a little bit of a ripple on the bolster. But we put a new headliner in it, like an Alcantara style headliner. It looks nice. That's the first thing that starts hanging on these cars. But the dash isn't cracked or anything. That's really kind of a common thing in these cars, is to have a cracked dash. But it's all in pretty good shape. It's got a few plastic pieces here and there that could be replaced, but yeah, it's inexpensive. Good looking car, runs good, drives good. Got lots of power options and affordable. Here's the power plant in the 1994 Formula. 5.7 liter V8. Same engine they put in the Corvettes and the Camaro Z28s. It's a General Motors engine. Pretty easy to work on. And, you know, just good motor. There's the Jasper sticker there when they put the new motor in. It tells you the miles and everything that were on it when it was done. But again, analog brakes, power steering, 6-speed transmission. Pretty cool. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Fuel injected, pretty basic. 275 horsepower. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it's plenty for something like this. 4-wheel disc brakes, stops good. It's got a nice quad tip exhaust. But really nice car. If you want to come out and check it out, we're California Cars, 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. My name is Rich, and the phone number is 818-591-1313. We have this listed for $89.50. Under 10 grand out the door. Got yourself a fun little cruiser, somewhat like a convertible. Take those T-tops off and go cruising. All right, thanks for watching.